Yes, I bend the needle before injecting local anesthesia. Here's why. When I'm infiltrating for a laceration repair or abscess, I'll often put a slight bend near the hub. I typically use a 27 gauge needle for this. It's thin and flexible, which makes controlled angulation easier. First, it improves angle control. It helps me stay parallel to the skin instead of diving too deep. Second, it allows more precise delivery of anesthesia exactly where I want it. And third, it improves hand positioning, especially in tight or awkward areas. It's a small adjustment, but it increases control and precision. It's important to know that I'm not sharply kinking the needle, just a gentle bend. And I don't repeatedly bend it since that can weaken the needle. Small refinements like this allow you to deliver anesthesia exactly where it's needed and make a real difference in patient comfort.